welcome back to another video on the channel. We have had a massive fall in the cryptocurrency markets over the last couple of weeks. We have had a lot of volatility, and I think diversification in the crypto markets is key. People that have a diversified portfolio are able to ride out this wave, right? If you're in one cryptocurrency and it drops 50 or 60%, right, that has a massive impact on your portfolio. Rather, if you have a diversified portfolio and you have a mix, some coins go up 20%, other coins maybe dropping 40%, it does help even that out. And so I think that's very important. And so we're going to be talking about that in this video. And so if you enjoy this content, do me a favor and hit the like button and subscribe for future videos. And so let's go ahead and take a look at cryptoindex.com, one of the hottest index protocols out there. They're focusing on transforming the $224 trillion index market through the first Web3 index protocol, powered by the index token. And so they are in the pre-sale stage right now. There's about 9 days and 20 hours remaining in the fourth stage of the pre-sale. And so right now, the current price in the pre-sale is 0.035. Now the listing price of this token is going to be 0.077, and so that is about a 50% discount from the listing price. And so there's 5 reasons to buy this here. They have massive market potential, powerful tokenomics, first mover advantage, and passive income opportunities, and then world-class team and partnerships. And so we're going to be going over all of this information here. I do want to show how to buy this token. And so if we go ahead and select the buy now button, that does bring us over to the pre-sale page here. As I mentioned, this is about a 50% discount from the listing price of the token. And so we can see, if we go down here, we can choose the network, whether we want to be on BNB or Ethereum. You can choose how many tokens you want to buy. So we're going to go ahead and buy $100 of these tokens, purchasing around 2,800 index tokens. And then we can choose the payment method. I'm going to be using USDT here, and then I'm going to choose the Binance Smart Chain. And so I can go ahead and select buy index. Now there's multiple ways to do this here. I can go ahead and connect my wallet if I'd like, or you can send tokens directly to this address right here. And so you can go ahead and connect your wallet, depending on what wallet you use. And so I'm going to go ahead and send tokens to that address to purchase these tokens. And so we can see the payment is being processed right now, and then we will be receiving those tokens. And so we can see the payment has been successful. We have purchased 2,857 index tokens. If we go to the dashboard here, and so we can see here that I have V-index tokens. I have about 3,100 of them. And we can see that the V-index tokens will be converted to index tokens according to the unlock investing schedule. If we take a look at that down here, as I mentioned, the listing price is going to be about 7.7 cents. The initial unlock is going to be 10%. Then we have a lockup period of 6 months, a vesting period of 15 months, and then there will be a claim interval of every single month. And so let's talk about index investing, right? Index investing spreads your money across multiple assets, reducing the risk and ensuring steady growth. Instead of guessing winners, and invest in a balanced portfolio that thrives in upturns and holds strong in downturns. And so I think this is definitely something that is very positive, right? There's lower risk, higher stability, steady long growth, no active management needed, and it is proven. And so you can buy the token by using the link underneath the video. There is a referral code, and you can go through the same process that I did. By using that link, you will get a 5% bonus in tokens. And so definitely make sure to check that out. I have participated in the index presale. And so the cryptoindex.com platform will have a lot of diversification in the funds. And so let's go ahead and take a look at that here.
I've been in crypto for a while, learning through trial and mistakes until I started earning consistently. Now, thanks to the Crypto Index platform, I create my own indexes, and my followers easily invest alongside me. We're all earning together. Let me introduce you to Crypto Index. It's incredibly user-friendly. Here's how I built my index. I logged in, named the index, and wrote a description explaining my strategy. I'm a big layer 2 believer, and all market trends pointed to it being the hottest sector. From over 10,000 tokens on dexes, I picked the best and set their shares. I kept transaction fees low, management fees moderate, and offered high revenue sharing to make it even more rewarding for my followers to hold my index. In less than 4 hours, we hit the funding goal and deployed the index. Some of my followers have joined my index, and now I'm earning extra commission for managing it. Everyone's winning, and this is just the beginning.
And so you can see there what cryptoindex.com has to offer, right? It is perfect for diversification. You can select the suitable index depending on your risk profile. So there's hundreds of indexes with different risk profiles. It automatically rebalances the assets and earn management fees if you create an index that others invest in. And so if you create an index yourself, you can earn fees from that index fund. And so that's something else that could be very beneficial to looking into cryptoindex.com. And so let's go ahead and take a look at some more information on this. If we go back to the page here of cryptoindex.com, we can see a lot more information on here. And so they're working on tokenizing a $224 trillion market. 70% of the stock market transactions are tied to indexes. And so this is the most common way to buy stocks today. And I think that the crypto markets will eventually get to this point where it becomes the most common way to buy crypto as well. Right? You can buy index funds that are investing in 10 or 20 different assets, and they are managed automatically. And so there will be 10 trillion in assets that are managed through ETFs tracking indexes. 500 billion is the expected size of the crypto index market. And so they are very early into the index side of things for the cryptocurrency platforms. And so this is one platform, the leading Web3 protocol for index trading, thousands of indexes in one place. You have hold to earn, so just by holding the tokens, you can earn passive income. There are many benefits as well. There is burning that takes place, 5% of the tokens burned monthly to create scarcity and drive price growth. There's also discounts on fees, staking, and governance participation via a DAO. And so that's something else. Now, altcoin season is definitely coming, in my opinion. If we take a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart here, we can see previous cycles, we had Bitcoin dominance top around 72% back in 2021. And then once this started pulling back here, we saw a massive run in altcoins. Now, I personally do still think that is coming here. I think we have topped with Bitcoin dominance right around 63%. And I believe this will start heading down here, especially as it becomes a focus on altcoins, right? We're starting to hear people talk about a crypto asset reserve rather than a Bitcoin asset reserve, right? There's going to be a large amount of altcoins that are included in that. We're not just going to see people buying Bitcoin. There is a lot of utility out there in the cryptocurrency markets. And so altcoin season is a period of explosive altcoin growth, offering major profit opportunities and risks. It typically starts after Bitcoin peaks or stabilizes, with altcoins raising capital flows into them. Traders reinvest Bitcoin profits into altcoins, driving their prices up. And so we saw massive moves in 2017 with coins doing 50 to 100x returns. We had massive moves in 2021 with Solana and Matic that had 50 to 100x returns as well. And we will see the same thing happen here during this bull run. And so I personally think it is very important to have a diversified portfolio of multiple assets. If you have one asset that you pick and buy and it does a 30% return, well, you're not going to come out ahead as much as if you had 10 different cryptocurrencies. Say you split the $100 and you only put $10 in each one, but if one of those tokens does a 50 or 100x return, well, you're going to come out ahead rather than investing all of that money into one token. And so I think that is definitely very important moving forward, and cryptoindex.com allows you to do that. And so they also have a Twitter account here as well on X. If you want to follow them, they will be providing updates when the token will be launching in the tokenization of assets. And so definitely something else to be paying attention to. And so let's go ahead and take a look at their team here. The team has a proven track record of successfully managing business projects. They bring significant experience and exceptional knowledge regarding digital humans and Web3 ventures at scale. And so they have a lot of experience here. We can see they have experience from Visa, Binance, and TechCrunch. Their expertise and clear development plan and strategic partnerships position the platform for long-term success, making it a reliable and attractive option for investors. So they have a ton of information on the website. I will post this underneath the video as well if you want to dig into it. They do have their white paper on here as well. And so there's just a ton of information. As I mentioned, if you're interested in buying this token, there will be a referral link underneath the video. And so as I was showing before, you can easily buy this token in pre-sale stage right now. If you're interested, there's 9 days remaining, and the current price is 0.035. And so the listing price of this token when it does go live is going to be around 0.077. And so there's also a 5% token bonus if you use the referral link underneath the video to purchase this token. And so the window is starting to close here for the pre-sale. And so if you're interested in getting into one of the hottest projects in crypto, this is your opportunity. And so I want to thank cryptoindex.com for sponsoring this video. And as always, this is not financial advice. This is just my personal opinion. If you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and hit the like button and subscribe for future videos. And I hope to see you in the next one.